My name is Wahu Mohammed. I'm from Central region of Ghana, but currently in Accra. I am 27 years of age. I am a family man and I have 2 children. I've been working with Wahu over a year now. Before I joined Wahu, I was a front desk manager at a laundry called Laundromat. When I wake up in the morning, I pray to the Almighty Allah. After that, I take my kids to school, and when I come, I wear my helmets, I wear my safety guard. I start work in the morning 8 a.m. and I close at 9 o'clock or 9:30. And I do like sometimes 20 deliveries in a day, and when there are no orders, you can get like maybe 15, 14, 13 in a day. Yeah, and it's a lot of money. Using the Wahu bike has changed my life a lot, my daily life a lot. Because at first, I used to depend on monthly. I have to wait for the month to end before I get my paid. But when I started using the Wahu bike, I get my money daily. This is my first electric bike, and comparing an electric bike to a normal motorbike, I would say anytime, any day, I would choose an electric bike over a normal motorbike. When you are using an electric bike to do your delivery, you don't buy fuel, so it saves the fuel cost. Working with Wahu, the benefits is a lot, because at the end of the month, you have money, you take something home. And some of the benefit that I get from Wahu, I was able to rent my own room. At first, I used to stay in a family house, but now I'm on my own, and I can take care of my kids and my family. Wahu has supported a lot, and you know, paying for this bike, it is flexible. I mean, it is flexible because it's a weekly basis thing. Yeah, but before the weekends, the ends that you get can even pay like, let me use like, you can pay even twice the weekly, daily sales that you are supposed to pay for Wahu. Yeah, so in terms of the paying terms, it's not anything to me, because with the Wahu bikes, one thing I said is, you don't buy fuel. When they onboard you on a delivery app, here you get order from here, you get an order from here. So at the end of the day, you get orders from all angles of the apps, and you get a good money too. Before Wahu will hand over their bikes to you, they will train you on your safety, because you know safety matters a lot. I recommend Wahu to whoever wants to join. I am passionate about this. Wahu has helped me a lot. I mean, trust me, Wahu, anytime, any day.